If you have or think you have intestinal parasites, you may be interested in natural remedies to help restore your health. This video is all about the natural remedies to help kill and remove unwanted parasites from your system. Before watching the video, consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Intestinal parasites are typically caused by protozoa or single-celled organisms that can multiply within your body. They may also be caused by helminths or worms and larvae that can't multiply in the human body. The most common types of protozoa include Giardia and Cryptosporidium, while the most common helminths are pinworms, hookworms, tapeworms and roundworms. In many cases, intestinal parasites are transmitted through contact with infected feces, usually by way of contaminated food, soil, or water. Symptoms of intestinal parasites include bloating, diarrhea, fatigue or weakness, gas, nausea, passing a worm in your stool, stomach pain or tenderness, vomiting and weight loss. Although there's a lack of clinical trials testing the effects of natural remedies in the treatment of intestinal parasites, some preliminary research suggests that certain herbs and dietary supplements may have potential. Here are some of the remedies. 1. Papaya seeds. For a pilot study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2019, 60 children with intestinal parasites received immediate doses of either an elixir containing a mixture of papaya seeds and honey or honey alone. After 7 days, a significantly greater number of those given the papaya seed-based elixir had their stools cleared of parasites. 2. Berberine. Berberine is a compound available in a variety of herbs such as the European barberry or Berberis vulgaris. Berberine has been found to fight off intestinal parasites in several preliminary studies. In a report published in the Journal of Parasitology in 2019, for example, berberine extracted from barberry demonstrated activity that may help protect against tapeworm infection. Along with barberry, berberine is found in herbs like goldenseal and coptis. 3. Pumpkin seeds. A natural remedy that shows promise is pumpkin seeds, which have been found to be high in amino acids, fatty acids, and the compounds berberine, cucurbitine, and palatine. Research on the use of pumpkin seeds for intestinal parasites includes a preliminary study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2019, in which pumpkin seed extracts were found to have some anti-parasitic activity. 4. Wormwood. Wormwood may help treat intestinal parasites by killing off a type of helminth known as Heterobranchus longifolus, according to a preliminary study published in Parasitology Research in 2019. The herb contains compounds called sesquiterpene lactones, which are thought to weaken parasite membranes. 5. Diet. Practitioners of natural medicine sometimes recommend certain dietary strategies in the treatment of intestinal parasites to optimize stomach acid, which is protective against food-borne parasites. These strategies include temporarily avoiding coffee, refined sugar, alcohol, and refined grains, including more garlic in your meals, increasing your consumption of carrots, sweet potatoes, squash, and other foods high in beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a precursor for vitamin A, which may increase resistance to penetration by helminths. Rebuilding beneficial bacteria in your gut by loading up on probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt. Avoiding raw meat or fish. Some practitioners also suggest an intestinal cleanse or detox. This is an approach that involves pairing a high-fiber diet with supplements said to aid your body in clearing out intestinal parasites. These supplements include psyllium, beetroot and flax seeds. If you think you have parasites, it's crucial that you consult your physician to get diagnosed. Proper treatment may prevent the condition from worsening and lessen the likelihood of complications. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more videos of this kind, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time. Cheers.